Hi, I'm Ian, and this is Mikey.
Hello, and together we've made this prototype of a game. We're calling it Godot Getaway, and we've had so much fun not only making it, but playing it as well.
And we're coming to Kickstarter because we want to teach you how to make this game and games like it. Mikey and I are both professional online instructors. Mikey has 3 separate courses on Blender, I have a course on Godot, another on game design, and a third on creativity for coders. But this time, we wanted to do something a little more ambitious. Instead of one course with lots of small projects, we want to do one big project with 3 focused courses.
By bringing all of this together, we're able to focus on the unity of design rather than just the individual bits of software. So why 3 courses? Well, we are going to focus on the engine, the modelling and the music. And we believe bringing these things together is going to enable you to focus on the key skills you need to be an indie developer.
With 3 separate courses focusing on the same project, we can do a lot of things we've not been able to do before. For example, we can take a look at how big high-end design decisions impact various parts of the process. We can look at how those ideas also reinforce those design concepts. We can also examine more intermediate and advanced concepts like online multiplayer or procedural generation.
We will look at what it takes when it comes to design, modelling and exporting your models from Blender to Godot. Once they're in Godot, how to actually use them. How design decisions can make a complete difference in your asset creation pipeline. And these will all be useful whether you're solo or part of a team.
So what about the courses themselves? Well, this all started because Mikey and I were listening to some electroswing music, so let's start with the music course.
Yes, so we're going to create a compelling soundtrack using Ardour. Now, Ardour is a digital audio workstation, and what that basically means is you can use that to compose your music, to smush together samples, effects, and MIDI clips, essentially creating our compelling soundtrack that then we can use over in Godot.
The coding course will take place in Godot. Godot is a free and open source game engine. It can do 2D, 3D, it's powerful, it's versatile, it's fun to use, I really enjoy it. And in it, we're going to make a fast, 3D, procedurally generated, online multiplayer driving game.
Now it's going to be a pretty boring game without assets, so we're going to use Blender, a free and open source bit of software that will enable you to model, texture and export those models ready for use in the game engine.
Mikey and I are both big believers in learning through fun and community, and would really like for you to be part of that community. Making this game has been the most amazing journey. Why not take part in that journey with us?
So if you're looking to make indie games, why not join us and take 1, 2 or all 3 of our courses by backing this project?